नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। ऑनलाइन डिजिटल लेक्चर्स की सीरीज में आज हम एक नया लेक्चर आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका कि नाम है सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरी पार्ट 4। And before starting this lecture, I would like to say that we are all proud to be a part of the best but the best women's university in India, that is JVW Jaipur, and having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. So let's now move on to our lecture, that is software repertory part 4. As I have already told you that a good software should have all these features. It should be a good homeopathic remedy finder, a case potency selector. It should give access and print to the medical reports. It should save time when analyzing the cases. It should have an ability to schedule new appointments and follow-ups. It should upgrade your homeopathy treatment skills. It should have records of all your prescriptions and case histories. It should help in case taking and should give access to the patient's medical history whenever required. So these are the features a software repertory should have. We were comparing we were comparing various features of the various software repertories available. The common softwares for this purpose, for the purpose of comparison, are Kara, Mac Repertory, Radar. But as I have told you, these software, uh, they never rule out, or they never replace the mind of practicing physician. It is just a tool to help him select the simillimum. Today we are going to compare about the editing or qualifying rubrics, about organizing the analysis. When we get to the reportable result, we go to analysis. We have to analyze the reportable result and what are the tools various softwares provide to analyze the reportable results. This we are going to compare today. So Kara has uh, elimination of the rubrics feature in its clipboard. MacRepertory has elimination rubric, uh, which is performed by selecting, highlighting the eliminative rubric. Radar also easily performs this just by under. So Radar has also got eliminating feature, which appears in analysis graphs without entering into analysis calculations. Now, feature of combining rubrics. In Kara, rubrics may be combined after they are collected in a clipboard. Kara uniquely offers the ability to uncombine previously combined rubrics also. The back repertory rubrics may be combined either as they are being added from the repertory view, or later after being collected in a clipboard. Whereas in radar, three options exist for combining rubrics. First is leave the individual rubrics intact but calculate them as if they were combined. Second, create a single inclusive rubric but leave the contributing rubrics in the analysis. Third, create a single inclusive rubric discarding the contributing rubrics. Option 2 and 3 are performed on rubrics after they are collected in the rubric clipboard. Option 1 may be performed after the rubrics are collected or as they are being added to the clipboard. Both eliminative or crossed rubrics can also be created, listing only those remedies common to the two or more originating rubrics. So what's the summary of this lecture? Once rubrics are selected and imported into analytic clipboards, the three programs closely comparable in their abilities to organize the collected rubrics for analysis, though they are implemented in somewhat different manners. तो क्लिपबोर्ड में डालने के बाद रूब्रिक को तीनों ही सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरीज उसमें एनालाइज करने का, कंबाइंड रिपर्टराइज करने का और बहुत सारे टूल्स अवेलेबल कराती हैं, लेकिन रडार में even before adding to the clipboard this can be done. Now weightage of analysis. In Kara, basic weightage strategies are available. In Mac repertory, a great variety of weightage strategies are available from the analyze and limit menus. These may be selected individually or in any combination. In radar, icons on the graphic display can be used to select among 8 different weightage schemes. Any one of these may be set as default scheme also. And these schemes are sum of symptoms sorted by degrees, sum of degrees sorted by symptoms, sum of symptoms and degrees, small rubrics, small remedies, prominence, the graphical analysis. So this is all in software repertory part 4. And at the end of this lecture, I will like to give you an assignment which consists of a subjective question. And the question is, what various software repertories are available and how will you make use of them as per their modalities? तो जो 4 सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरीज हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं उनमें ऐसी क्या क्या विभिन्नताएं हैं, क्या उनकी खासियतें हैं जो उनको आप अलग अलग तरीके से अपने प्रोफेशन में यूज कर पाएंगे, इसके बारे में आपको बताना है. So thank you all for patient listening. See you again in the next session with a new lecture, that is software repertory part 5. Until then, goodbye. Take care of your health.